Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral. Integration is square root x divided by square root a cube minus x cube dx. So I is equal to integration square root x divided by square root a cube minus x cube dx. Here in the denominator, we make this square and square. So for that, here square root a, we want to make square. So we should write 3 upon 2 to the power 2 minus x to the power 3 upon 2 square. Okay, so 2 to cancel, just 3 power, 2 to cancel, 3 power. Okay, dx. Here we put this x to the power 3 upon 2 is equal to any variable t. Okay, when we differentiate this, we get 3 upon 2 x to the power 3 upon 2 minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So 3 upon 2 x to the power 1 upon 2 dx is equal to dt. Here in the numerator, here is square root x dx. So this is square root x dx. 1 upon 2 power, it means square root 2. So this one we can write in radical form square root x dx, and 3 upon 2 we can transfer other side, so it will be 2 upon 3 dt. So now I is equal to integration this square root x dx value is 2 upon 3 dt, so we can write 2 upon 3 here and dt right here. Okay, so this is 1 upon square root this a to the power 3 upon 2 square minus this is this value is t. Okay, so t is square. We can substitute here t is square. We know that integration formula, if integration 1 upon square root a square minus x square dx. So answer is sine inverse x upon a plus c, any arbitrary constant. This formula we apply here. So here 2 upon 3 sine inverse x value here t, and this a square, but here a value is a to the power 3 upon 2 plus c. Okay, we can put here t value 2 upon 3 sine inverse t value x to the power 3 upon 2, this one. So we can substitute here x to the power 3 upon 2 divided by a to the power 3 upon 2 plus c. So 2 upon 3 sine inverse x upon a to the power 3 upon 2 plus c. Okay, and this is the answer. So very simple question. We used only this integration formula, and we substitute this x to the power 3 upon 2 is t, and we converted this one like this in the squares. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.